Assalamualaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description of the sentence. The need is to tell you what is the introduction of the sentence. A sentence is a set of words which is complete in itself, consisting of subject and predicate, conveying statement, question, request, command, order or exclamation, consisting of the main clause and sometimes one or two subordinate clause. Now we move towards kinds of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. The first one is declarative or assertive sentence, and the second one is interrogative sentence, and the third one is imperative sentence, and the last one is exclamatory sentence. A type of sentence which makes a statement or assertion are called declarative or assertive sentence. For example, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. I am going to the park. The child is sitting in the room. And the other type of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence in which the question is asked, a sentence which asks a question is called interrogative sentence. For example, where do you live? Where you are going? What is your name? And the third one is imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses command or an entreaty is called imperative sentence. For example, be quiet. The next example is have a mercy upon us. And the other example can be call the next witness. And the other example may be don't make a noise. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. In this sentence, the sentence which expresses strong feeling are called exclamatory sentence. For example, how cold the night is, and the next example is what a shame, and other example may be hurrah, we have won the match, and the other example is alas, she has passed away. Okay, the lecture is over. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.